What's up, guys? It's been like, what, 1,000 years since Camp 10? The interruptions, postponing the delays, and above all else, the crappiest July ever that the UK has seen, especially in the southwest here. I don't think I've seen a more wetter July in all my life. And it's not much better today, folks, but I'm here. Time for Camp 11! Woo! Here on Wannabe Camping. So, originally, I go up high here. Whoa! I don't know if you can see, but behind those trees there, supposed to be going all the way up there and at the back of them, but the persistent downpour of rain that we didn't expect when we arrived, with all our stuff and everything, got my little girl here with my brother and his missus, and we just wanted to get set up, so I've just been scouting while they wait here. I'm gonna fill them in now. It's pretty bumpy over there. There is a clearing, but it's like 1 minute walk more, so
here.
I would say
Find a spot.
it's not bad here really, is it?
No.
It's just more out in the open in that bit over there, like the 1 minute away bit, and this bit is surrounded by trees, so
which one do you prefer?
I think we're like more sheltered here and
Yeah.
hidden, that's exposed out there. I'm not sure if I want to tuck the tent in that little nook there, or just spotted this bit up here. But
We're gonna have ours here.
yeah, that's a good spot. Flatter. Where to place the home for the night? Huh?
We should both be near each other.
Yeah, maybe I'll go down there then. Do you know what? My ankle, like at the front here, is itchy and irritated because I felt a bite and it was a red ant. So make sure you check the area before you put your bloody tent down.
So where you have it? Where you get me?
I think I'm just going to go here. Get back in a bit when I'm more settled. There we go, look, 10 to 6. All set up. Stu and Jess are all set up. We're just digging the earth away for fire. I'm just going to get all the crap inside the tent. A little bit of you.
You got your milk?
Everything's inside the tents. Looking good. Chill mode starting to take effect. Just gotta get my chair out like Jess has. It's lovely, it's peaceful. It's not where I wanted to go, but it is stunning.
Dan, I'll put it here, right?
It's beautiful here, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going camping. Camp 11.
It is sweet.
He's still saying that from the other camp. So I brought a dry pack of wood from home, but everything else is sopping and it's already started raining again. So we have no idea how successful this will be. Can't even put my new mic on there because I don't want to get it wet.
Winging it.
It is so much more wetter than we thought.
It says freaking it's supposed to be not raining
But
now.
Jew, not like that, man. We need like just one half needs to be just all covering there. Well, it's 10 to 7 and it's eased off a bit, but it's still been pissing down. And look at this, look. We've had to totally cover the one bag of wood that I brought because it just keeps raining, but it's creating a nice little heat inside there. And hopefully, because we got burgers, we'll be able to eat. But we'll see, we'll see. And yeah, the camera doesn't do it justice how much the rain's coming down, although it has eased a bit now. But it's beautiful. Oh, I just made a stupid mistake a minute ago because I left the door open, so that's soaking there. There's fucking water in here. Silly mistake. Can't believe how much it's rained more than it should. It should have stopped an hour ago. And it's just on, off, on, off. Doing a good job with the fire, keeping it like a little mini oven in there, drying out the stuff on top. Just hope we got enough to cook burgers. We're trying to make the best of it, aren't we, baby?
Yeah.
We enjoying camping? Yes, we are. It's been so long, and even though things are going a bit different to what I thought, I'm so happy you're doing it. Camping again! Yay! Burgers be a sizzling. Oh God, starving. Hank, friggin' Marvin. Smell coming off of this. Darn good. Look at that. Just turned them. Ain't gonna be flipping long. Thought we'd have to wait a while. But the drips are all just making the fire roar.
The juice from the burgers.
Yeah, we just wanted some white coals. Now we got Burger King flame grilled burgers.
It literally is. No,
Hi, baby.
I've given up because that's just fire.
Yeah, then it's not going to die down. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. It's time to add the cheese. Yeah.
Yeah.
Onions. Fats. Where's the sauce?
You got the sauce.
No, I left it in the boots. You said you had some.
You fucking idiot.
Well, where's yours?
It's in the car.
Why?
Because I left it because I thought you said you got yours.
I left mine in the boots. You said you had yours. No! Nice but needed sauce.
Another one there.
Yeah, I'm good. Probably would if I had friggin' sauce.
God. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Come
can
here.
see you, Daddy.
Come here, this baby. You two can just smile. Go like this, look. Go like that.
Me.
It's coming up to 8:30 now and our fire had died down, so we just put some more wet ones on there to dry. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Ah. And he went on my fucking ass then. Because of this lumpy thing right here. Oh, I can hear people. People in over there. On a path.
Get away from my camera! You bugger! Stop touching my camera!
Used my towel to dry the inside of my tent earlier. It's friggin' sopping, so I'm trying to dry it.
There you go, perfect. Yeah, I guess it takes ages.
That took fucking ages. Well, coming up to like 9:15. We got lights in the trees. Setting the scene, if you will. We're setting the scene. Check my towel. more snuggly?
Yeah.
Yeah. As you can see, we're in the tent. It's coming up to 10 o'clock.
Is it just Uncle Tira's in the tent yet?
Yeah, everybody's snuggly in the tent, baby. About half an hour ago, the rain started coming again after a few hours break from it. So we had to call it a night out there and put out the fire. And well, I know you might be thinking now, you just said it was raining, but it's so on and off, and for different periods at different strengths. And the wind, it's the same, on and off. So I thought I'd put it out, just stop it blowing everywhere. Now we're getting snuggly and settled. Just gonna chill in here for a bit.
Yeah.
Chill in here for a bit, like I'm gonna get out. I mean, we're just gonna chill for a bit and then and it'll be nighty night.
Nighty night.
Morning. On a night of on and off rain. Constantly on and off. But otherwise, warm and comfy. I think it's like 8:30. Oh. So it's like 20 to 9 now, we're just having tea. And I'm not looking forward to packing away the tent because it is soaking friggin' wet. Wishing I had a towel. Covered. At least on the edge there it is. I definitely saw it when we were coming down this edge, but I don't know if it's at the front of it. Well, that's the tent packed up finally. Just gone 10. It's time to mosey on out of here. Right.
Are you drink? Have your drink. You're like you got your GoPro, right?
I did not. What are you doing? What are you doing? All this camp, she has been looking at that red button to stop my videos. The sun's coming out now. Stunningly warm. And we've had nothing but grey and rain. But anyway, time to leave this beautiful spot.
Oh, I'm right with this way.
Oh. Well, that camp was totally not what I wanted it to be. Not where I wanted it to be. Not as sunny as I wanted it to be. And I didn't film half as much as I wanted to. But still, Camp 11 in the bag. And as always, people, I'll see you guys on Camp 12 next time. I want to be camping. Later.